Oh, hi. So, I will show you another method for solving what is this question? 4A. Okay. So, this one is using just epsilon delta definition. Okay. So, this one is the epsilon delta definition. I hope your professor has covered it. I think he has done. There's no way he will skip it. Okay. So, I will prove that the limit is 0. Okay. So, what do I do? First, let replace fx by x square sine 1 by x, and then I claim that this delta will work. Okay. So what this delta is equal to minimum 1 uh, comma epsilon. So delta is less than 1 and delta is less than epsilon. Okay. So once you see this, then and also a is equal to 0 here, right? Because we are verifying at 0. Okay. So then you see that if your mod x is less than delta, then mod x is less than 1. This is our equation 1. And mod x is also less than epsilon. Okay. Both this thing are true, right? 1 and 2. So I will use this here. See, x square sine 1 by x. Sine 1 by x is less than 1 and minus 1. Sine 1 by x is less than okay, greater than minus 1 and less than 1. Mod will take this less than 1, 1, 0. Okay. And then you do this x square. So I'm replacing this with this one here. So this will be less than x square. And now you see this will be mod x into mod x. I'm using properties of modulus, and then you do this mod x is less than 1, this equality, this inequality. Okay, mod x is less than 1, and then this inequality you use, mod x is less than epsilon. Both I'm using. So this one is equal to epsilon, 1 into epsilon. Okay. So x square sine 1 by x is less than, you follow this arrow, this one is here. This is what we set out to prove, right? So that is done. Okay. Uh, Thank you. But again, I think we can do it graphically also, right? So this will be the graph of x square sine 1 by x. So how do you get here? First, let's see. X square is this one, okay? And then if you invert it, 1 by x square, okay? So this will be symmetrical because if you put minus x and x into the expression, you'll get the same value. So it will be symmetrical. And now just see this. X square and minus okay, 1 by x square. So here it will get closer to 0, right? Once it get closer to 0, this will increase arbitrarily very large. Okay, this will become very large. Okay, so here the rate of change is very fast. This almost become parallel to this one. Okay, so here it increases very fast. Okay, once you notice this phenomenon, just try to think what happens here. Here what happens? Okay, what will happen is that this thing, this is sine what is this, sine x. Okay, but once you are inputting 1 by x square. Okay, when you put 1 by x square, what happens is that this you are putting 1 by x square, this here it will be very fast. Okay, so once it is very fast here, so this thing will become like this. Okay, and like when you go in this direction, the rate will be slow, because obviously you see after this the growth is very slow, like this is dying. Okay, here also it is dying. Okay, but here it is going fast. Okay, so something like this. And obviously we have this also, that this is dominated by x square. Okay, and this is the minus x square. Okay, so and it will touch this points also, because why? Because when you put something like, let's say, x, something like, let's say, uh, what do I say, n pi, something like, where does this thing become one? Whatever, let's say, n pi plus pi by 2, xn is equal to n pi plus pi by 2, then 1 by, sorry, root this, then this xn square, this will become 1 by n pi plus pi by 2, and then sine 1 by xn square, this will become sine n pi plus pi by 2. If sine, then this will become, I think, sine n pi plus pi by 2, you will get, sometime you will get minus 1, sometime you will get 1. So this will minus 1 and 1, and multiplied by x square, you will get minus 1, minus x square, and plus x square. So at these points, at these points, n pi plus pi by 2, you will get to see minus xn square being attained and xn square being attained. Okay, so there are points where this touches this thing, ring. Okay, and I have actually made the picture very dirty here, so please forgive me for that one. And also, this here, you will see here, this is undefined, because if x is equal to not equal to 0, then that thing you can skip. Okay, here this is not defined, but the behavior is that it will go to 0. Okay. Uh, Thank you for watching this video.